Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm making some scones. This recipe is from my husband's grandma. It uses all ingredients that I typically have on hand at home. And today I'm going to be adding cheese and bacon. First, we're going to add all the dry ingredients to a bowl. And you can preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1½ cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir with a whisk to combine the ingredients. Add in a 1/4 cup of margarine, and crumble it together. Add in 1 egg, and a 1/2 cup of milk. Now stir it all together. Now I'm adding shredded marble cheese and bacon bits. Prepare a floured surface and turn the dough out onto it. If the dough is too wet and sticky, just add a bit of flour. Then shape it into a circle with your hands. Cut it into 8 pieces. And now transfer it into a pie plate. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. When it's golden brown, it should be done. And there you have it, a nice and easy scones recipe. This can be doubled really well, and you could also try something different like chocolate chips or raisins instead of cheese and bacon. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or comments for me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. Thanks for watching! Thank you.